Y'all see him? State trooper. What's going on, YouTube gang? How y'all doing? Hope y'all are having a great day. We got another POV lined up, so let's get started. Yeah, man, I hope you guys have been doing well. Trying to get an upload in every week, stay somewhat consistent. Things have been going well on my end though, just working. Y'all know how that is.
Highway.
People want to slam on the brakes. Yeah, it looks like they're finally going to widen these lanes. This has been a 2-lane interstate for the longest time. I haven't been down this way in a minute. This used to all be trees. It looks completely different. So this is what you do, right? When you see cops coming, you got tents. Y'all see him? State trooper. See the arrows indicating that he's now behind me. Well, on the other side, that is. I hear a lot of people saying that, you know, Waze is really all they need, but I beg to differ, man, because like, as you can see, this trooper was moving. Waze is only good for stationary police. So it's like, what do you do in those situations? They're behind you and you don't know, like, you're not aware of it and you just suddenly get on it, right? Yeah, like you're cooked. So it's like, no, using them both. I think the detector ran in conjunction with Waze. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna keep you protected. But what I like though is that the takeoff is smooth, and that actually helps to improve my confidence because I know the car is stable. I know it's not gonna go sideways. I mean, the X-Drive really is something else. It's impressive technology. That's one of the reasons why I fuck with BMW so much. It's because of the balance. I can get on it and not have to worry about going sideways. Y'all see what I was talking about? That's that balance. Well guys, this is going to wrap up today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Until next time, gang, this is German Muscle signing out.